Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson EcoTank 2650. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, certain colors and printing, your print quality is lower than normal, or you just have an overall general print quality issue, today I'm going to show you a method that's going to help you solve that problem on your own inexpensively. Follow the instructions in this video with instructions in the Printhead cleaning kit that I'm going to be recommending. That is right over here. This is the cleaning kit that's going to allow you to fix your printer and save hundreds of dollars. This is a method that I've been teaching over some years. I found it to be the most effective solution to your print quality issues. Just stick with me from the beginning all the way till the end. You have all the information that you need to fix your printer. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So we are going to be turning this printer on. So what you're really wanting to do is you are going into your settings, and the first step is to go into your setup, and you're going to go to maintenance. As you can see there, you're going to click on maintenance, and then you're going to do a nozzle check. So by doing a nozzle check, you are essentially checking what color, as soon as this prints out, load up some paper in it, you are checking to see what color is giving you the most issues. Now, if you already know, that's great, but really with this caliber of repair that you're doing here, you want to be sure of the color that you are pushing this cleaning solution through. So this is going to be the evidence for you to see that, hey, clearly cyan, clearly black, clearly magenta, not printing the way it's supposed to. And you see there that as soon as I printed that out, you are actually going to use that also to turn off the printer. I did this out of order. The first thing you want to do actually is print your nozzle check. And what I was doing here is I was printing another nozzle check, but in the middle of the paper going down into the printer, you are actually going to be unplugging it. Now here you're going to be removing this cap that's on top of the printhead. This can be easily removed with the screw that you see right in there. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for a tool that will allow you to easily take this off. It's just a regular screw, and once you have that off, you can easily remove, unclip that top piece there. Easier than it looks here. I'm making it much more difficult for whatever reason, but it comes right off just like that. Now you're going to determine that first one is black, the next one I believe is yellow, and cyan, magenta. You can look on the side there, and the first one is always going to be black, and so the next color over, when you look at your ink tanks where you actually fill it in, you can actually see which color. So you are now going to be folding up double paper towel, as much paper towel as you can get in there. So you'll see me there, I doubled up the paper towel. If you can triple it up, that's even better, because this is going to be messy, and you really want to be able to have that cleaned up. And I folded it an extra time, so that is adding some extra cushion there for it to absorb all of the cleaning solution and ink that's going to be coming out of here. Okay, and at this point, you're going to be using the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. There's going to be a link in the description below for this product. This is what you're going to be using to solve this problem, and you're going to be using this to flush out the printhead with the syringe there. This cleaning solution that you see there, it's specifically for the printhead. It's not going to do any damage. This video, along with the instructions in the package, are going to help you do that. So you see me point there at the vein, we'll call it, that you need to pull out. There's nothing holding it there. Once you remove that top piece, all you have to do is gently remove, just like that. Use a glove if you're not wanting to get any ink on your hand. Make sure you just have some towels around so that you can clean up any mess. Now you're grabbing your syringe that is full with the cleaning solution, and you're placing it right over the nozzle there, the Printhead nozzle. You're placing your syringe tubing right over it. Just like that, and it should slide right in very easily all the way till the end. Okay, and at this point, 20 milliliters in this syringe, and you should be pushing right through. You see at first there, I'm not really able to because I'm holding it too hard. I'm kind of actually bending. So you're actually going to want to let go, not touch it, and it should be flowing freely, even if you just keep it straight. That solution is pushing all of that through. And if you want to at first, the first step you can do actually to this is you can actually have the syringe pressed all the way in and suck some of the ink out and push it back in just to add some additional pressure. If you wanted to do an extra step, that's a bonus step right there, in addition to using this cleaning solution. So before you use the cleaning solution, you are already one step ahead. You've already applied some pressure into this printhead. And if you notice there, I moved the printhead slightly to the side so that some of that cleaning solution and ink that's coming out, the residue of it, spills onto some cleaner parts of the towel so it doesn't get super soaked in one area. Now I'm removing it there, as you can see, and if this is a major issue that you're having, it's not printing out at all, this certain color, you can do this 2 or 3 times. Do the cleaning 2 or 3 times with your syringe, and of course when you're done, you're going to clean everything off. Make sure you put that tubing right back in there, just how it was all the way till the end, and there's nothing else that's needed. This is how they were installed. There's no problem, and of course you're going to place that cap right back on as well. But yeah, just make sure it's nice and snug, make sure everything is in place before you put the cap on. And you will be removing the paper towel. Before or after these steps, it's fine if you do one or the other, put the cap back on or remove that paper towel, which is soaked with ink and solution. Okay, and I'm just cleaning up here. So really, this is something that can be easy as long as you have the right tools, and I'm providing you with those tools, which are in the description below. As you see there, I'm putting the top of the printhead right up on there. Okay, you put that right back in there, and again, there's a tool that I'm going to provide a link to in the description below for you to be able to put that right back on. So that's it. You're done. Clean up what you have to clean up. This does not take a long time. Really, this is something that is easy to do. Now with these eco tanks, they do have this issue where they're promising you, and this is footage here before I get into that. I was really sick and I was doing an outro for this video, but I was doing really bad with a bad cough and bronchitis. But I'm seeing this with the eco tanks, that there is potential for big issues, and just stay tuned for some more videos on the eco tank if you have a different version of it. But I really appreciate you guys watching, for making it to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also visit my website, bestprinterstech.com, and also don't forget there's links in the description below for you to go ahead and check out. But thank you for watching, and until next time.